Have you ever pondered about the unique and enigmatic nature of the second largest planet in our solar system, Saturn? But first, welcome to Universe Unveiled channel. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe. This celestial body is renowned for its distinctive rings and profound role in the cosmic ballet. Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating chronology of Saturn, from its discovery to the latest findings. Saturn, a celestial body that has captured the interest of astronomers since antiquity. This magnificent planet, visible even to the naked eye, has been a part of human curiosity for millennia. Ancient stargazers, with their rudimentary tools and boundless imagination, were the first to identify Saturn among the stars. Its distinct shape, unlike any other celestial body visible from Earth, drew their attention. There was something different about Saturn. It wasn't just another point of light in the night sky, it was unique, it was special. The early astronomers observed Saturn's unusual appearance, its soft glow, and its steady path across the sky. They tracked its movement, recorded its position, and over time began to understand its orbit. It was through these early observations that Saturn was discovered. From that moment, Saturn ceased to be just another star. It was a planet, a new world, waiting to be explored. The discovery of Saturn was just the beginning of an intriguing journey to uncover its many mysteries. The first telescope observations of Saturn were made by Galileo Galilei, but the planet's true nature remained elusive. In the early 17th century, Galileo trained his rudimentary telescope on Saturn and was baffled by what he saw. Rather than a solitary orb, he observed what appeared to be three bodies in close conjunction. He described these as handles or large moons on either side of the planet. This misinterpretation was not a failure of Galileo's observational skills, but rather a testament to the limitations of the technology of his time. His telescope simply wasn't powerful enough to resolve the stunning rings that girdle the planet. The enigma of Saturn had fooled one of the greatest minds of the Renaissance era. Galileo's puzzlement over Saturn's handles persisted throughout his lifetime, and his true understanding of the planet's unique features remained just beyond his reach. It was not until a few decades later that the true nature of Saturn's handles was revealed. The mystery surrounding Saturn's handles was finally solved by the observations of Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens. In the year 1655, Huygens pointed his improved telescope towards the ringed planet and made a groundbreaking discovery. He realized that what Galileo had assumed were handles, or ears, were in fact a flat, thin ring encircling Saturn, invisible when viewed edge-on. Huygens' revelations didn't stop there. As he meticulously observed Saturn, he noticed a point of light consistently nearby. This was no star, but rather the first ever identification of one of Saturn's moons, Titan. This moon, larger than the planet Mercury, was a world unto itself, and the first of many moons to be discovered orbiting the gas giant. Huygens' findings revolutionized our understanding of Saturn, turning what was once an enigmatic celestial body into a fascinating world of rings and moons. But as Huygens would likely agree, Saturn still had many secrets to reveal. Fast forward to the modern era, and our knowledge about Saturn has dramatically expanded through space missions and advanced technology. As we ventured into the space age, our eyes turned once again to the ringed planet, and our curiosity was rewarded. The Voyager missions, launched in the late 1970s, gave us our first close-up views of Saturn. Voyager 1 and 2 revealed the stunning complexity of Saturn's rings, showing us a system not of one, but thousands of rings, each composed of countless ice and rock particles, each one a tiny moon in its own right. These missions also identified several new moons orbiting the planet, expanding our knowledge of Saturn's family. But it was the Cassini-Huygens mission that truly opened our eyes to the wonders of Saturn. Launched in 1997, this mission spent 13 years studying the Saturnian system. It revealed the rings in unprecedented detail, discovered 7 new moons, and gave us our first glimpses of the lakes and seas of Titan, Saturn's largest moon. The probe also found evidence of geysers spewing water vapor from the surface of Enceladus, another of Saturn's moons. These discoveries hinted at potentially habitable environments. Enceladus, with its subsurface ocean, could harbor life as we know it. Titan, with its lakes of liquid methane and ethane, challenges our understanding of what a habitable world could look like. Each mission, each discovery, brings us closer to understanding Saturn. It's a planet that, despite being over 1 billion kilometers away, feels a little closer with every new piece of information we uncover. It's a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, showing us how far we've come and how much further we can go. Today, Saturn continues to captivate us, promising new discoveries and insights into the workings of our solar system. From ancient observations to modern space missions, the exploration of Saturn has been a journey filled with discovery and wonder. We've traveled through time, unearthing the chronicles of this mesmerizing planet, peeling back layers of intrigue and mystery. We began with the dawn of discovery, when ancient astronomers first glimpsed at Saturn, a distant celestial body, marking a landmark moment in our quest for understanding the cosmos. Then, we delved into Galileo's misunderstanding, a twist in the tale where the great Italian astronomer, with his crude telescope, mistook Saturn's iconic rings for handles or large moons. We moved on to Huygens' revelation, a turning point in the history of astronomy. Armed with a more powerful telescope, Huygens was able to discern that Saturn was encircled by a thin, flat ring, not a pair of moons as previously thought. This was a pivotal moment, setting the stage for our modern understanding of Saturn. Then we journeyed through the era of modern exploration and discoveries. We've witnessed the awe-inspiring images and data sent back by spacecraft like Voyager and Cassini, unveiling the intricate structure of Saturn's rings, its multitude of moons, and its dynamic weather patterns. In this voyage of discovery, we've learned that Saturn is not just another planet in our solar system, but a world full of surprises, a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. And yet there's so much more to uncover. The enigma of Saturn continues to captivate us, fueling our curiosity and driving our pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows what other secrets Saturn holds? The journey to unravel them is just as fascinating as the discoveries themselves.